She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It has definitely been a while, so I'm so excited to be bringing you guys a new video. In this video, I am showing you guys a knotless braided style using my own brand of hair. This one is Cream and Sugar, which is the color 613 and the color 27 blended together. When you guys purchase these blends, now when I get it, it usually comes like this with the color number on it. So what I normally have to do is remove the sticker and blend the hair and then repackage it and put my own sticker, which with this one, my sticker would say Cream and Sugar, since that's the name of this blend. So I know that you guys probably receive, when you guys receive these orders, you probably think that this is store-bought hair. It's not. This is my own brand, and I apologize. I'm trying to get some better packaging, so you guys just bear with me. I'm still pretty new. But yeah, I'm showing you guys how to do, not really how to do, because you guys have definitely seen how to do knotless box braids on this channel, but I'm showing you guys what knotless box braids looks like with this blend color. So just to answer some frequently asked questions that I get from a lot of you guys that are wanting to purchase my blends, a lot of you ask how many packs of hair is needed. Usually for this particular style. So whenever I am doing knotless box braids, it doesn't matter the size, it could be small, medium, large. I normally use 4.5 packs. So I always recommend people purchasing 5 packs. Now keep in mind that everybody does use a different amount of hair for even the same type of style that they're doing. So you want to first of all figure out how thick your hair is, or whoever's hair you're doing, how thick that person's hair is. Do you want the style to be really full or not too full? I would say if you don't want the style to be that full, you're fine with doing 4 packs. If you want it to be really full, then maybe 6 packs, but 5 packs I feel like is a good range that you'll be able to make work and still have a good looking style of knotless box braids. Now for any other braided style, I do recommend just going off of the amount of hair that you normally use and comparing that. The bags that you see in the beginning, that's about how much comes in 1 pack of hair. So when I blend the hair and repackage it, I normally I will repackage that same amount back into the bag. So what you guys seen in the beginning is how much hair will come in 1 pack. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing these blends for any braided style that's not knotless braids, that you may not know how many packs of hair to use. And on that note, I definitely want to thank each and every one of you guys that have purchased from me. It really does make me feel so good, because I never expected to be doing this, and the fact that I was just led down this path. I'm humbled, I am grateful for you guys, and I'm thankful for the opportunity of being able to do this. So yeah, and if you haven't already and you're wanting to purchase some of my blends, the link will be in the description below so you can check it out. I am releasing some new blends this month, and also some solid colors are definitely coming up. I know I was supposed to put those out in April. Unfortunately, I didn't receive my hair in time, so they will be going out this month. When doing this style, I use Shine and Jam, the orange can, and then I use a little bit of Murray's beeswax. I just mixed that together. Once I was done braiding, I used the Vigorol mousse. Then I dipped the hair in hot water. So I'll leave a link to all of the products that I use down in the description below. I hope you guys enjoy this little sleigh that I did on my cousin. Shout out to her for supporting and coming through and letting me do this braided style here with the Cream and Sugar blend. And I will let you guys just enjoy the rest of this video. If you have any questions, make sure to drop it in the comments below. Like the video if you do like it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed. Stay safe. Stay filled with love and peace. And bye, guys.